everything?
None.
Okay, very good. Keep it up. So our classroom rules is stands for fractions. So F stands for follow directions. F, respect others. A stands for actively participate. C stands for complete your activity on time. T stands for take responsibility. I include everyone. O, organize your materials. N stands for never give up. Did you understand our classroom rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, our previous discussion is all about, yes,
Part of fraction.
okay, very good. So, in parts of fraction, we have here the three parts of it. So, example, 3/4. 3 is the,
Numerator.
and then what is this?
Fraction bar.
Okay, and then 4 is the,
Denominator.
okay, very good. So now, our lesson is about the three types of fraction. We have the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and then the mixed number. So who will read the number 1?
Ma'am.
Yes, Mia.
Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator.
Okay. So kapag sinasabi natin proper fraction, yung numerator niya is mababa and then yung denominator niya is mataas. So, the example of this, basahin natin class.
1/4. 10, 15. 50
Over 100. 2 over 5. 8 over 9. So, these are the example of proper fractions. So, ano yung nakikita niyo dito, class? Ano yung numerator niya? Mataas or mababa?
Mababa.
Yung denominator niya?
Mataas na.
Yes. So, ito yung tinatawag natin proper fraction. Okay, number 2, improper fraction. Who will read?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator.
Okay, kapag sinasabi natin improper fraction, yung numerator niya is mataas and then yung denominator niya is mababa. Or pwede rin naman same sila ng numerator and denominator na equal to 1, we call it improper fraction. So, we have here the examples of improper fraction. Class, read.
9 over 5. 12 over 3. 25 over 22. 45 over 50. 5 over 2.
Okay. Ngayon, class, ano yung pagkaiba nila ng proper sa improper? Anyone? Yes, Mia.
Sa proper fraction, ma'am, mas malaki yung denominator niya. Pero sa improper naman, ma'am, mas maliit yung denominator.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's proceed to mixed number. Who will read? Yes.
Mixed number, a fraction which is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction.
Okay, kapag sinasabi naman natin mixed number, meron siyang whole number tapos sa fraction niya is proper. So here are the examples of mixed number. Class, read. 10, 2 over 5.
5, 3 over 4. 60, 25 over 20. 14, 54 over 30. 15, 6 over 12.
Okay. So, ano yung nakikita ninyo sa mixed number na wala sa proper at saka improper? Yes, Mia.
My whole number, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Okay, class. Here are some examples of proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. Pakibasa nga class yung example ng proper fraction natin. Number 1.
1/2,
Number 2.
3/5,
Number 3.
7/10,
Number 4.
9/10,
Then number 5.
15/20.
Then next is the example of improper fraction. Basahin ulit natin class. Number 1.
7/4,
Number 2.
15/3,
Number 3.
11/11,
Number 4.
50/30,
And last.
13/6.
And lastly, the mixed number. Basahin ulit natin class. Number 1.
1 and 3/4,
Number 2.
5 and 2/5,
Number 3.
3 and 1/8,
Number 4.
2 and 7/10,
And last.
4 and 9/6.
Did you understand class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class. So again, let me read our classroom rules, which is the definition of fraction. So F is follow directions. R, respect others. A, actively participate. C, complete your activity on time. T, take responsibility. I, include everyone. O, organize your materials. And N, never give up. So, again, class, did you understand our classroom rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so very good. So did you understand the three types of fraction, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let us now have our activity. So I will group you into three. So, but before that, I will first read the directions. So the direction is write the given fractions correctly in the appropriate column in the table. So you will read the proper fractions. I will give you the improper fractions, and I will give you the mixed numbers. So here I will give you some pens, and you will write the numbers. So the proper fraction first. Okay, very good. Next, improper fractions. Okay, very good. Next is the mixed numbers. Okay, very good. Your answers are all correct. Now let's move on to our next activity. Let me first read the direction. Find the following in your own understanding. So number 1, what is proper fraction? Yes, Rachel.
So, proper fraction, in my understanding, ma'am, is yung numerator niya is less than, tapos yung denominator niya is mataas din.
Okay, very good. So number 2, what is improper fraction?
Improper fraction, ma'am, is yung denominator niya, ma'am, is mas mataas dun sa
bago yan, let me first read our classroom rules. F stands for follow direction. R, respect others. A, actively participate. C, complete your activity on time. C, take responsibility. I, include everyone. O, organize your materials. The letter N is never give up. Did you understand our classroom rules, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for your activity, the direction is list at least 10 each proper fractions in proper fractions and mixed numbers. For example, ito is, example ng proper fraction na nilagay nyo is ganito. And then sa improper fraction, ganyan. And then sa mixed number is with whole numbers. Did you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start now. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass your papers.
So class, this is the importance of three parts of fractions. Proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers play vital roles across various domains such as cooking, construction, time management, financial transaction, sports, statistics, and more. Their applications allow us to measure quantities accurately and solve problems efficiently in everyday life by representing parts of wholes or combination thereof here. So class, next. So class, naintindihan niyo ba yung tatlong parts ng proper fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so pakibasa ang proper fraction. Joyanne?
Proper fraction, fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator.
Okay, very good, Joyanne. Next, improper fraction.
Improper fractions are fractions whose numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator.
Okay, very good. And last, mixed number.
Mixed numbers. A fraction which is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction.
Okay, very good.
Okay, class, before I give you the activity, I will read first the classroom rules. F, follow directions. R, respect others. A, actively participate. C, complete your activity on time. D, take responsibility. I, include everyone. And O, organize your materials. And N, never give up. And I read first the direction. Encircle the correct answer. Tapos na ba, class?
Tama.
You all done? Pass your paper. And this is your assignment. Direction. Match each fraction in column A with its correct classification in column B.